How's it, Aloha gang? We are back at City Mill, and for all you at-home chefs, I know you got experience with the Traegers and the charcoal grills, but City Mill brought in something really unique, really cool. This is the Firedisc. Iris, what is it?
The Firedisc is a great way to grill outside, maybe like camping, tailgating. 100% cast iron, so it's like taking a cast iron griddle outside. Comes in 3 pieces, the actual griddle and the 2 stands, and that's it.
What are we gonna be making?
We're gonna make some fried rice.
Fried rice, a local staple, local favorite. Let's do it.
We're gonna put a little bit of oil on the bottom. The Firedisc has 3 zones, so it has a very hot zone in the middle, medium, and the cooler ones outside. These are called cooking weapons.
Also available at City Mill too, yeah, all the accessories.
We're gonna start with the meat, a combination of bacon and Spam. Start hearing it sizzle.
Now we're cooking. Just anytime you can take your kitchen and do all of this outdoors.
Perfect. These tools are all made with very wide areas.
You can even deep fry in this thing if you put enough oil, but you can cook anything, anytime.
So once you're finished cooking something like this and you get it to where you need it to be, you just push it up to the side. I'm gonna let that keep warm right there. And then we're gonna grab some eggs. And then we're gonna throw some rice in here, brown up the rice like this. This is when you're gonna put your shoyu in there, some seasoning.
Okay.
All of this in.
Whew, Iris, thanks for chefing it up. How's this fried rice? It looks ono and less than 10 minutes, super easy. And maybe my favorite part about this, cleanup.
Super easy.
Simple.
Super easy because this is cast iron. You just need to put some oil in it and wipe it down. Less than 5 minutes and it's done.
Where can people get this?
You can get it at all our City Mill locations and on citymill.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.